Namaste all of you. Today I am making spicy chicken meatballs. For that I am using some boneless chicken, and first I am going to grind this chicken pieces. I am using few garlic cloves and ginger also. So after grinding the chicken pieces, so now I am adding green chili, onion, then coriander leaves, then salt as per taste, little turmeric powder, then half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 spoon red chili powder, then half teaspoon raw cumin, and half teaspoon pepper. So now first mix them nicely. So after mixing everything, now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour powder and 1 tablespoon besan, that is gram flour powder. So both I am going to add here, and little lemon juice. Now mix it nicely. So with our hand we have to mix it nicely. Now I am going to fry these meatballs. So now I am frying these meatballs. So you have to take the meat and you have to do like this, like small balls we have to make, and on low flame we have to fry this, so that it should get cooked nicely. Corn flour powder, if it is not there, you can use rice flour also, and besan you should use little only, not more. Corn flour, rice flour or besan, we should use little only, just for binding the meatballs. For that only we have to use little. So we have to cook these meatballs on low heat only, low flame, so that from inside also it should cook nicely. So after 5 to 6 minutes, these meatballs are ready now. So friends, you can see my spicy crispy chicken meatballs are ready. These meatballs are very easy to make, and trust me, these are really very delicious. So I hope you will try this, and thank you for watching the video. See you soon with my next video. Thank you.